Hello guys, welcome to an unboxing video. I apologize for the very messy desk. The room is actually messier behind me. This is because I recently just moved back to Canberra and I'm still waiting for most of my stuff to be delivered by the moving company. So we've got this massive parcel here today. I believe it's from the Unstable Games company. So this is the new game called Casting Shadows, I believe, made by the same creator as Unstable Unicorns. What else have we got? We got Here to Slay, that's also made by them, and we also have Happy Little Dinosaurs. So I was very disappointed that I didn't get to donate money for their Kickstarter program for Here to Slay, so that's why I took this chance to donate money to this Kickstarter program instead. So yeah, let's get this parcel open and see what's inside. Alright, I just got this parcel open, so let's see what's inside. Oh, I can already see the board game. Oh, there it is. Alright, so this is what's inside the box. So I got rid of the extra paper there that was on top. Here is the base game. So let me flip this box around. So we have Casting Shadow. That's the base game. It's very cool artwork there, and it says exclusive edition, so which proves that this is bought from the Kickstarter program. And I also got the Ice Storm expansion. It's pretty cool artwork there as well, and I believe this is like an extra character, an extra exclusive character that you can get from the Kickstarter program as well. So all that looks really exciting. Let me get them out of the box. So we got the base game there, this is the extra character, and we have the expansion. That's the back. And the back of this box here. So I think the artwork that you see right now is like a slip-on cover, and I think there's more artwork underneath this one. So I'll quickly get the plastic wrapping off and I'll show you guys what's inside. Alright, so here's the whole thing with the plastic packaging ripped off. So we'll start with the smallest item, which was the extra exclusive character that I got. So this is Lucky Skipper. So I guess this is the mascot unicorn. This cardboard is actually pretty big. It's actually bigger than my hand. And it's double-sided, so I can't exactly remember the rules of this game, but you collect something and then you spend it to like activate your ultimate form or something. And here are the two meeples that go with it. So I guess this smaller one is the base form, and then that's like the I think they call it the shadow form or something. Yeah, pretty cool. So we'll set that aside. Here's the Ice Storm expansion. So let me open the box. So it's actually not that big. Just got the instruction, extra tokens, 2 new extra characters, I believe. Yep. So we have a phoenix looking character. Let me get this off. So we have the polar bear and phoenix looking creature, and the shadow forms at the back. And we also got the meeples, which look pretty cute. Here are the tiles that the game will be played on. Oh sorry, since this is the expansion, I'm guessing these are extra tiles to play the game on, and extra cards as well. And if we put that to one side, we can go to the main attraction. So here is the base game, and like I said before, I'm pretty sure this actually slips off. I'm not sure why they don't make this the cover, because this looks so much better than this one. But whatever, I'm glad that they included this cover in somehow, because this looks amazing. So I'm gonna have to lay this down like this, because unlike most board games, this actually has a magnetic cover, being an exclusive edition and all that. So we have lots of stuff in here. So rulebook, hex tile reference sheet. So I guess that tells you what each of the tiles do. Some more tokens, and we get to the characters. So I'll put this to one side first. We'll see what this is. I think this is the dice tower. I'm not really a fan of these things, but whatever. If they give it to me, that's great. Some cards. So I think these are exclusive cards, and these are the cards that you'll get when this game eventually releases in most stores. What else have we got? We've got the tiles. The dice looks amazing. I like the design on these. What else have we got? So we got the shadow form for the expansion characters, which is in the base game for some reason. That's weird. Some more meeples. Let's get all of them out. Let's see. So here are the tiles. So different environments. I'm guessing they do different things depending on where your character is. Not sure. Haven't read the rules of the game at all. I bought this game because it looks cute, but I'm pretty sure the gameplay will be just as fun as well. Let's rip open the bands here. So we got, what do we have? So we have Nuzzle Thornwood. It's a wolf. Well, that looks pretty cool. Let's see. I think this is the base form, and this is the, yeah, this looks like a wolf. This is the shadow form. So I'll group them together. Next we have an owl. Oh, so that's the cover creature. Iris Papillon. So here's the meeple for it, and this must be its shadow form. So another thing is, I think when you buy the game in retail stores, you're only going to get 4 characters. So I think these 2 are exclusive characters as well. So we might as well talk about this one. This one is a narwhal, Tusk Swift Wave, and these are the 2 meeples. Next we have a lizard dragon looking guy. That looks awesome. Here's the base form meeple. Here must be the shadow form. We have the fox. So this must be the creature on the cover here. That looks so cool. And here are the 2 meeples. And then last one looks like a salamander or axolotl, however you say it. Frill lily pad. So here's the meeple for its base form and for the shadow form. And I will just show you all the characters here. So when you buy this in retail stores, I think these 3 and the wolf are going to be included in the package, but not the other 3, because the other 3 are exclusive characters. And then we have cards. Let's see, let's try and put this open just to show you guys what sort of cards we have here. I think these are just like magic cards, special effect cards that you can play to, I don't know, do stuff like heal yourself and damage your opponents and all that. That's pretty cool. Oh, and I didn't show you the... Oh wait, yes I did. Yeah, so these are the expansion characters. I hope they make more expansions in the future, because I really like the design of these creatures. Alright, and that wraps up the unboxing video. Again, sorry for the messy table, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, until next time, thank you.